Center, roger, climb and maintain, follow 270.
I'm sorry, who just called? That's Northwest 834, is that 240?
Northwest 834, center maintain, follow 210.
Now the 210,
With the ATIS Sierra requesting the FMS bridge visual to the right.
Houston 73, Bay approach, proceed direct to Archie, intercept the FMS long approach course, maintain 11000.
Direct Archie, 11000, more intercept course, yes sir, 73.
Flaps 1.
Houston 73, center maintain 7000.
7000, yes sir, 73.
Flaps 5. Glide slope, glide.
Gear down.
Flaps 10.
Approach, good afternoon, Delta 2099, 12.5 for 1000, North Sierra requesting the FMS bridge.
Delta 2099, Bay approach, roger, proceed direct to Archie, intercept the FMS long approach course, maintain 11000 for now.
Direct Archie, intercept the
going
FMS
down.
approach course, 1000 for now, Delta 2099.
Gear down, locked and green.
Thank you.
Glide slope captured.
Okay.
Center Commander 4897 Whiskey 8000.
Set missed approach altitude.
Yep.
Commander 4897 Whiskey, Bay approach, expect the ILS approach runway 27 right side, step to land, runway 27 left is open.
1 to go.
Roger, 971.
US Air 73,
Flaps,
connect Bay
25.
approach, 135.65, good day.
3565, yes sir, 73, good day.
Flaps 30. Spoilers armed.
Hey, approach, good morning, United 73 on the descent, 12 for 11, we have Sierra.
73, Bay approach, proceed direct to Archie, join the FMS long.
Qantas 545 Eddie, contact tower, line 2, 0.5.
Tower on 120.5. Tower 125, 45, heavy 5 mile, final runway 28 right.
Qantas 545 heavy tower, runway 28 right, winds 230 at 8.
Roger, 125, 45, heavy.
Approach checks.
Okay, approach checks. Landing lights,
Okay, on.
autopilot. Cabin signs,
Okay.
Qantas 545
Auto
heavy,
throttle.
runway
Okay, that's
28
set.
right, cleared to land.
anti-ice,
As required.
hydraulics,
Checked. Okay.
Clear to land, 125, 45,
Fuel heat.
heavy.
Checked. Okay.
engine ignition, FLT start, spoilers,
Armed.
1000, auto brake switch, flaps,
Crossway 1 right, and hold short of
landing gear down,
Cross 1 left, cross
Approach
1 right,
checks
hold short of
complete.
28 left, at 853 heavy.
500.
500.
400.
Approaching decision height. 400.
Approaching minimums.
Decision
300
height.
feet.
300.
200.
200.
100.
100. 50.
50. 40.
30.
30.
20.
20.
10.
Spoilers up. Reverse thrust engage. 100 knots. 80 knots. 60 knots.
Qantas 545 heavy. Turn off at the next high speed and hold. Contact ground 124.25. When runway is clear.
Aircraft has come to a complete stop, and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign.
Flaps 25. Flaps 20. Flaps up. Spoilers down.
Ground on 124.25. Ground 125.45 heavy at Baltic.
Qantas 545 heavy ground. Taxi 2, the ramp.
Net 2356, taxi Alpha Golf and Bravo.
Alpha Golf and Bravo, 2356.
Ground, Candler, 3317, ready for push.
Handler 4317 ground. Cleared to push. Start at your discretion. Contact ground when you're ready.
Ground 121.7, Candler, 3317.
Tower Ground United 70.
Ground United 59 ready for taxi. United 59 ground. Taxi 2 runway 19er right and hold short.
Taxi 2, runway 19er right and hold short. United 59.
70 United 135 heavy, cross 28 left.
135 heavy, San Francisco ground, what's your gate?
Flight gate 81.
81, under taxi Bravo to the ramp.
Bravo to the ramp, United 135 heavy.
And I may have to bring you in Alpha downfield, and we'll see what the company's doing. 264, we pushed off gate 38 is November, taxi please.
TWA 264, San Francisco ground, taxi to runway 1 right via Alpha.
1 right via Alpha, we have Japan Airlines at TWA 264 with November.
And TWA 264, follow the United Airbus that's coming up from your left side on Alpha.
Okay, stop, call United, TWA 264. US 68, first 51 taxi with Mike.
US 68, I'm guessing you might still need to be with the ramp tower. They've got traffic coming inbound.
They switch this over to you, man.
US 68, okay. I really don't know what they want you to do. I don't work that ramp area, so I don't know what they're doing with Japan Air.
We're coming up to spot 1 and we're ready to taxi.
Okay, you need to go back to the ramp tower, so I'm telling you, US 68. They're working Japan Air.
San Francisco ground, US 68, we're on spot 1, taxi with Mike.
US 68, hold your position. Air Canada 671 ground.
Set.
Brake pressure up. Cabin sound
are you waiting on the
off.
gate?
Parking checks.
Okay.
Pilot check.
But we're on our way in now.
Destination.
Okay, thanks.
For those passengers departing here, we would like to thank you for flying Qantas. For those passengers with connecting flights with Qantas, Jetstar, another airline, or any of our One World airline partners, the cabin crew will be able to assist you with any information. Thank you for flying Qantas. We hope you have enjoyed your flight.
Okay, we'll follow TWA, US 68.
Hey, US 68, just to verify it's runway 1 right.
Okay, we'll follow TWA to runway 1 right, US 68.
Thank you. Conroe 154 Heavy, San Francisco ground, taxi to runway 1 right.
Conroe 154 Heavy. Taxi with November. At 1010 San Francisco ground, good afternoon, taxi to the runway 1 right.
County ice.
Taxiway
Lights
Alpha.
Cabin signs.
Is off.
Fuel control switches.
Cut off.
Bleed air.
Closed.
Throttles.
Idle.
Probe heat. Off. Window heat. Off. Galley power. Okay. Off. Checklist complete.
Take left at Echo going to gate 73. United 1578, San Francisco ground. See again the gate. 73. 73, taxi Bravo to ramp. Give way to the companies downfield if it becomes a factor. Okay, Bravo to the ramp, we'll give way to company United 78. United 2477, clear to it, left is Delta going to 78. 2477 San Francisco ground, taxi via Alpha to the ramp. Alpha to the ramp, United 2477.